Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. I have a trade on right now. Just wanted to try to catch a quick little trade here. I am short at 11.97, 500 shares. Currently have a stop loss in at 12.26. And I'm looking for it to start to head back down here and at least retest these lows. If not, go even lower. So let's see what happens there. It's starting to head back down. So again, short at 11.97 and stop loss moving that down. Actually going to drop down my stop loss some now. So stop loss is now at 12.17. So I am in the process of making money by saving money. So it's pushing down, trying to push down at least. Looks like 1180s offering up some areas of resistance or of support. I'm going to try to, whoops. No, that's right, sorry. I think I might have missed my opportunity there to at least mitigate some risk. But that's right, we'll still go with it here. I wanted to try to pick some shares up in the mid 70s, but did not do that. But that's right, I mean, the plan is still in place. My risk is totally under control. So now it really just becomes a question of can it push down back into the 1170s. So you can see it seems as though some support has formed there at 1180. And now I have 300 shares left. I just, what I call mitigated some risk there. So if we can get a close down here, high of 11. So I'm going to be extra aggressive here with my stop loss here and just move my stop to right there. I want to ensure a winning trade. So now I'm in a great spot. I'm either going to get out for a winning trade at 11.92 or the price is going to continue to head in my direction and I'm going to just continue to make more money. So this is truly the prime spot of trading that you want to get yourself in, where the question becomes, you already know you're going to make money, but it's how much money am I going to make? That is the goal of a trader. That is the goal of, and that is, the outcome of, any plan you do. So I will admit, I am being a little aggressive with the stop loss, but like I said, I want to just ensure a nice solid winning trade. So I'm willing to sacrifice that for the sake of and just watching how it's been trading. I still feel comfortable with it, but like I said, I very well could get stopped out here maybe a little prematurely, but it's still going to be a winning trade. And if that's, the downside is, I didn't, I got stopped out too soon, but it was still for a winner. I mean, that's a pretty darn ideal situation, I would say. So let's see what happens here with it. So worst case, I'm making 15 cents on the shares that I shorted up at 11.97. Looking like it's going to try to maybe bounce right here. very close to getting stopped out if it can push up through 1190. But I don't want to jump the gun on anything. Would be nice to see it roll back over here and head lower. Need to keep an eye on the time too in this video. I don't want this thing to get too long. So once again, 1180 acting as that area of support. We've seen that 1180 continually pop back up there. There it was broken. Let's see if this can create any sort of push to the downside. But not much push at all. So that's not the most encouraging thing to see. And as would be expected, it broke that 1180 and then no follow through for there, so now it's right back up to kind of where it was. You can see a big order down there at 75. So I really think I'm going to get stopped out here. I would love to be wrong. Absolutely would love to be wrong here. But that's the beauty of trading with a plan and all that. I can sit here and talk completely relaxed and, you know, just kind of sit back and say, hey, you know, whatever happens, happens. So right now I'm either going to get, like I said, stopped out, or this thing looks like it's right on the verge of potentially heading back down and, you know, testing all-time or those new lows for the day. So that's a great spot to be in. There was a big order at 75, but 75 is getting hammered pretty good, but it's also absorbing quite a few shares. That's broken now. So what I'm actually going to do, just so this video doesn't drag out, is I'm going to pause it, and then I will keep it up to date whether the price goes to new lows or if it looks like I'm going to get stopped out, or if I change my stop loss. But like I said, I don't want this to drag out too long right now. So let's see if 1170s can fall. Nope, that's holding up pretty good. So I'll keep you updated. Quick little update through that green line in there. This is a clear area of support right here. So it's one of those things where if we can get a candle close below, not a break below, but a candle close below that area, then I'm going to be feeling that much better about the trade. So we'll see what happens with the price relative to that green line. You can see the price is right down there, testing it right now. So let's see what happens with it. Also going to rate or lower down my stop loss a tad. Try to pick up a few more pennies. So now my stop loss is at 89. So now worst case, I'm making 18 cents on the remainder of my shares. So like I said, it's really doing battle with this key area of support right here, this green line. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, I will be lowering down my stop loss now to 82. So now, worst case scenario, I don't know, I've lost track of the math now. But worst case, I am now getting out at 1182. It's working on going to new lows. We'll see if it can push through. Nothing hasn't. 1167-ish seems to be that area right now, which is right where that green line is. So 1167, certainly some buyers hanging out down there. But if they can get wiped away, then this could very well take another nice plunge in my favor. But again, new stop loss is now at 1182. And with this bounce, maybe this will be it. We shall see. I will keep you updated. And wow, I missed that, but it just absolutely exploded up there on me. And actually, I didn't get out until 1186, so 4 cents from where I wanted to. But all in all, a very nice trade. If you're thinking to yourself, well, why didn't you just cover down there at 1167? Well, you know, keep in mind, you're asking that question in hindsight. If the price had fallen below 1167, you'd be asking, well, why did you buy shares back at 1167 and it fell further? That's just the way it goes. But like I said, shorted it up here, had a nice little plan in place, and yeah, it's bouncing right now. So yeah, I could have maximized it if I would have sold everything at 1167, but that is totally with hindsight in our favor. But all in all, a nice little example of a risk versus reward trade. If you want to learn how to trade like this and with setups, I offer a specific course actually called RVR Trading, Risk versus Reward Trading. So if you go to claytrader.com, you can see where that course is. Again, that's RVR Trading. Also, if you're interested in hanging out with me and other traders during the day, I do have a private trading group where I have a chat room and you get subscription to my Power Profit Scan newsletter. So if you're interested in that, again, you can go to claytrader.com. And then finally, if you want kind of everything that I have to offer at bulk discount pricing, then check out Clay Trader University. Again, all that stuff can be found at claytrader.com. So thanks for watching. Questions, comments, please leave those below. And as always, click the like button. That really goes a long way in letting me know that these videos are worthwhile and that I'm not really wasting my time making these. So click that like button. That's very good feedback for me. Thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.